Guys, look there.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Cameron Road.
We are running out of gas. Oh my goodness, guys. On our way to the apple farm today, we ran out of gas. We were out in nowhere. When I say nowhere, me nowhere, just pure bush by either side. And of course, we were scared. Oh my gosh, I've never been so afraid in my life. Then we got cut off by a train. Oh, what a day it was. Stay tuned, guys, to see what happened to us next. On our way to the farm, guys. Guys, look at that big barn. Guys, look there.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Cameron Road.
We are running out of gas in the country, in the bush. So guys, what we did was to Google the nearest gas station to us, and it was like 9 minutes away, and we had 58 kilometers to our gas tank being completely empty. So it was just like counting from 58 going on 58, 57, 56, and I was just like, oh no. Huh? 87. Oh,
Continue on Clark Road for 3 kilometers.
we are racing the train, racing the train. Oh, the train won, guys. It's very long, my goodness. You guys see the train? Blessing. Mighty God. This is a long train. Finally, we got to the farm and we're going for a wagon ride. Thank you. We're on the wagon, guys. We're on. It says do not jump, guy, okay? Don't jump off. Let's go on the wagon, guys. Whee! You see what? Oh, the corn maze? Listen! Listen, look! Listen, it's on the wagon. It's so cold, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my, all the apples fell off the tree, guys, on the ground. Oh, we're gonna cry. No apples on the tree.
Right around wagon.
Guys, imagine we come to the apple farm and there's absolutely no apples on the trees. None. Everything the pan grow. Oh, yeah. I mean, no, I know apple off I grow. No, sir.
Probably have worm.
They have worm. Okay, guys, let's go get measure and see how tall we are. Is that probably yeah.
can't take it off for the
Joe, you're 4 feet. Let's see. 4 feet. No, stay. 4 feet.
4 inches.
4 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe you're 4'5".
Yeah.
4 feet and 5 inches. All right, come now.
Wait, corn!
The whole corn maze. How are we gonna do it?
It can't be too high. You're not showing me.
Yeah. Overgrown maze. Let's go through the maze. Joe, where are you, Joe? Joe, please don't get lost in the corn maze, okay? Please. Careful with that stick.
Which way? This way.
Oh my God. Which way? Left or right? Left or right, guy? Which way? Left or right?
No, the exit is.
Oh my God.
Jojo, we're not trust your judgment.
Do not split up. We're gonna get lost in the maze.
We're gonna get stuck here alone if you leave us.
What happened, Benji? Benji crying for his mom. He lost his mom in the cornfield. Let me see this corn. It's so dry on the tree. Guys, what would you do if you got lost in a corn maze? Mickey, you're having so much fun in the corn maze? Yeah. Yeah.
We're going to go on an adventure.
Oh, yeah. That sounds so fun.
Trampoline.
Yeah. Guys, we can't find our way out of the maze. Joe, you got us out of the maze, Joe! Joe, you saved us!
Jojo, do that. Do that.
Hold it up! Where are you going, Joe? Okay. Are you coming out, Joe? Are you guys having fun? Esau, seesaw.
Let's go on the slide. Get out.
Joe. Jesus, Mickey, come now, Mickey, come. Look how.
You want a picture?
Okay, Zanny. Joe, let's go. Oh, Mickey. Vroom, vroom. Mickey, are you having fun?
Look by yourself.
Where's Josiah? Where's Joe? Josiah!
Drop down. Ellie, not from so high, Ellie. I don't follow them.
Mickey, you made it up. Oh, good job, Benji. Are you jumping down, Mickey? Oh, good job. Go. Go, Joe. Go on, Joe.
Let's go.
Good job, Joe. Okay, go ahead, Vicky. Jump. Oh, good job. What's in here?
Can I have The
donut?
syrup apple.
Can I have
What?
6 donuts,
This,
please?
like the.
That was
little
fast.
caramel.
You pay here or there? Oh, right over there. Oh.
Okay. So,
I want the apple.
okay.
The apple.
So, Mickey, you want donuts or apple?
Donut. I want apple.
Okay. What? Okay.
Apple.
Okay.
Candy apple.
Candy apple. Okay, let's go pay for it. Oh, so Joe, you gotta give Mickey a turn?
Okay.
Oh, then Zande is giving you a turn, Mickey.
This one?
Go on, Mickey. Okay, go now, guys, go. Oh, and whose horse is in the lead? Mickey, how's your candy apple? Let me see.
Good.
Good? Mmm, yummy candy apple. Guys, oh yeah. We had a great time at the farm and now we are going home. Thank you guys so much for watching our video today. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.